Yo, DJ, back with another DIY video. I don't know why I'm putting on for the camera. This is goddamn how to take your fucking fuel line off. If you ain't got no goddamn disconnect tool. See right there? Boom, off. This is a tip to a caulking tube, spout, any kind of small tip. Just push that motherfucker, cut it in half. Cut it in half. And then put it up on your fuel line. I got one more of these. Y'all see that motherfucker? Now you got it on there. You got no fucking oil cover. Use one though. Can't see my hands. Take this motherfucker here. Push the fuel line back to you. Alright, so basically what you do is, in case you couldn't see, these little goddamn things inside of here. You just take this, put it on your fuel line. Pull your fuel line to you and push these in at the same time until you really won't feel it, but it'll hit this little notch, and then you just push on the fuel line. Pull that off.